As for his life story, MrBeast began his YouTube career in 2012, initially creating Let's Play videos for video games. However, he gained widespread recognition and popularity for his unique and attention-grabbing content, which often involved large-scale challenges, donations, and giveaways. His videos often revolve around giving away large sums of money or performing extreme challenges, such as counting to 100,000 or saying Logan Paul's name 100,000 times. MrBeast's rise to fame was not without challenges, and he has mentioned aspects of his struggle in various interviews and videos. In the early days of his channel, he faced the common struggles that many YouTubers experience, such as trying to stand out in a crowded platform and gaining an audience. His commitment to producing unique and high-quality content eventually paid off as his subscriber count began to grow. One of his breakthrough moments was the counting to 100,000 video, which gained widespread attention and contributed significantly to his channel's success. Over the years, he continued to push the boundaries of what could be done on YouTube and attracted a massive following. MrBeast is also known for his philanthropy. He gained attention for his Team Trees initiative, where he pledged to donate to plant 20 million trees by the end of 2019. He has also organized and participated in various charity events and donation drives, giving away large sums of money to individuals and causes in need. It's important to note that the information provided here is based on my last update in January 2022, and there may have been further developments in MrBeast's life and career since then.